So I've just fitted these lights. And what a difference to the van setup it does. And they were so easy to fit, sticky pads on them. And they also come, well sorry, I bought like a wee bulb adapter. It's just got 2 wires on it. And you just solder it and tape it, and that's you. I did want to change my van racking setup. As you can see, every week it ends up a mess. I don't really have a place for my press gun. Some things are more locked in place, some things are there. Like, most of my M12 and M18 stuff I use all the time in this. Then in here, nail guns, planer, circular saw, reset, laser, stuff I don't use all the time, or certainly stuff I don't use at all. I've got that shite there, that shite there, this gun in there with my chop saw, wet vac, toilet spares, random spares, press and clips, push fit fittings, glued fittings, random stuff, random stuff, hose, silicone holder, silicone gun. I really need to sort this van out because I have invested money in like the packout stuff, so I may as well do it right. So I've seen some vans on the internet lately. I seen one the other day. It's actually quite well done, but he said it was the best van on YouTube, but it flattens his battery if he forgets to switch his charger off. That's a bit weird, I thought. So I'm thinking about actually getting all this ripped out and starting again. I think a wee bit. So what does everybody think?